passing a dictionary to a function as keyword parameters. I'd like to call a function in Python using a dictionary with matching key value pairs for the parameters. Here is some code. This prints param test, but I'd like it to just print test. I'd like it to work similarly for more parameters. Is this possible?
Figured it out for myself in the end. It is simple, I was just missing the operator to unpack the dictionary. So my example becomes
a few extra details that might be helpful to know. Questions I had after reading this and went and tested. The function can have parameters that are not included in the dictionary. You cannot override a function parameter that is already in the dictionary. The dictionary cannot have values that aren't in the function. Examples. Number 1, the function can have parameters that are not included in the dictionary. Number 2, you cannot override a function parameter that is already in the dictionary. Number 3, the dictionary cannot have values that aren't in the function. How to use a dictionary with more keys than function arguments. A solution to number 3, above, is to accept, and ignore, additional chords in your function. Note, by convention underscore is a variable name used for something being discarded, though technically it's just a valid variable named in Python. Another option is to filter the dictionary based on the keyword arguments available in the function. Example with both positional and keyword arguments. Notice further that you can use positional arguments in lists or tuples in effectively the same way as chords. Here's a more advanced example incorporating both positional and keyword args.
In Python, this is called unpacking, and you can find a bit about it in the tutorial. The documentation of it sucks, I agree, especially because of how fantastically useful it is.
Here you go, works just any other iterable.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.